India's trade with ASEAN has already crossed $123 billion in 24 and 25. It has already been trading billions of dollars with Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and other ASEAN countries. And the opportunity is expanding far beyond physical goods. ASEAN's digital economy alone is projected to reach around $1 trillion by 2030. That means opportunity across technology, financial services, e-commerce, logistics, digital payment, manufacturing, and professional services. Between 2000 to 2023, ASEAN countries invested around $156 billion in India. Most of that came from Singapore, but it shows something important, that capital is already moving between India and Southeast Asia. Now let's look at India's own economic geography. Much of India's established industrial and export capacity is concentrated in the west and south. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana. They have ports, factories, supply networks, skilled worker, and decades of industrial investment. The east have different opportunity. It can bring economic activity closer to Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Southeast Asia. Not by replacing India's western and southern economic centers, but by creating another economic corridor. And that matters because companies increasingly want resilient supply chain. India therefore needs more than one economic gateway to the world. The West connects strongly with Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. The South is deeply integrated with global maritime trade and East Asia. The East can strengthen India's economic connection with Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Southeast Asia, and Assam sits at the center of that possibility. But here is where the opportunity becomes interesting. Assam doesn't need to capture India's entire $123 billion ASEAN trade. It only needs to capture a meaningful share of the economic activity created around it. Goods have to be transported, stored, processed, insured, financed, manufactured, and exported. Every one of these activities creates huge amount of businesses, and every new businesses creates demand of another layer of services. And this is how trade corridor becomes an economic ecosystem.